Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 12 Quinneys Place. Now this is a modern end terrace family home, giving you 3 bedrooms, contemporary fitted ensuite shower room as well. We've got the lounge diner with the bifolding doors out into the rear garden, which we'll take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. We've got the kitchen breakfast room, downstairs cloakroom, which we're just about to go through and take a look at as well. And we've got a garage here converted into an office space, but still with the benefit of storage to the front. And you've got off-road parking with that all tucked away within a very convenient location close to all of your local amenities. Now we've come straight through into the hallway and taken a good look at the cloakroom there on the left-hand turn as soon as you come through, and on the right we've got the access into the kitchen breakfast room. You've got that beautiful bay window to the front, letting all of that natural light flood through, and the kitchen itself offers a range of fitted appliances as well as space under counter for further white goods. You've got plenty of worktop space and plenty of storage space there in the cupboards. Coming back out into the hallway, we've got the stairs up to the first floor on the left, which we'll go up and take a look at a little bit later on, but for now we're in the lounge where you can see that beautiful set of bifolding doors leading you out into the rear garden. Now the garden space here is fantastic. We'll go through and take a look at that later on, with of course that garage which is converted into the office space but with further storage to the front. So we're going to head upstairs first of all and take a look at the 3 bedrooms. We've also got the main family bathroom to take a look at as well, which we'll go through into first. Now up here on the first floor we'll go through and take a look at the main family bathroom. You can see straight ahead there you've got the loo, sink and a bath unit straight ahead of you there with the shower attachment too. Coming through into the first of the 3 brilliant sized bedrooms, wonderful double sized room here with the contemporary fitted ensuite shower room on the right hand side, which is ever convenient as well. We've got the view out across the back garden there and a set of double wardrobe storage cupboards too. Now coming through into the ensuite here you can see a beautifully presented space, loo, sink and shower unit on the right hand side there respectively, with of course the chrome heated towel rail as well. Coming out of bedroom number 1, we've got another fantastic double bedroom to take a look at, and then bedroom number 3. Then we'll head out into the back garden and take a look at the garden space and go through into the converted garage as well. So I'll leave you for a few moments now to take in the rest of the first floor here at number 12 Quinneys Place, the next double bedroom, and then of course going through into bedroom number 3 as well. So there we have it. We've had a good look around the rear garden. We're just about to head into the converted garage space. As we do that, we're just going to recap a few points on the property in its entirety. So this is number 12 Quinneys Place, a modern end terrace family home giving you 3 bedrooms, that contemporary fitted ensuite shower room, lounge diner with bifolding doors to the rear garden, kitchen breakfast room, downstairs cloakroom, and of course the converted garage with plenty of off-road parking. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.